Today we are making a chilled Peruvian passion fruit tart. It serves 8 people and takes about 4 hours and 30 minutes, most of it chilling. Let's get started. First, let's check the ingredients. 300 grams of Maracuyá cookies, finely crushed. 120 grams of unsalted butter, melted. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. 1 pinch of fine salt. 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk. 200 milliliters of evaporated milk. 250 milliliters of strained passion fruit juice, without seeds. 12 grams of unflavored gelatin powder. 60 milliliters of cold water for blooming the gelatin. 120 milliliters of passion fruit pulp with seeds. 40 grams of granulated sugar for the topping. 4 grams of unflavored gelatin powder for the topping. 30 milliliters of cold water for the topping gelatin. 1 teaspoon of finely grated lime zest. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Line the base of a 23 cm tart pan with a removable bottom with parchment paper, and set it aside. Melt 120 grams of unsalted butter until fully liquid, then let it cool for 2 minutes. Crush 300 grams of Maracuyá cookies into fine crumbs using a food processor, or put them in a sealed bag and roll with a rolling pin. In a mixing bowl, combine the crumbs with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 pinch of salt. Pour in the melted butter and mix until the crumbs are evenly moistened. Press the crumb mixture firmly into the tart pan, covering the base and a little up the sides, then refrigerate for 20 minutes to firm up. In a small bowl, sprinkle 12 grams of unflavored gelatin over 60 milliliters of cold water, and let it bloom for 5 minutes. From the 250 milliliters of strained passion fruit juice, warm 100 milliliters over low heat until hot but not boiling. Remove from the heat and stir in the bloom gelatin until it fully dissolves. Whisk the gelatin mixture into the remaining 150 milliliters of strained passion fruit juice until combined, then let it cool to room temperature. In a large bowl, whisk 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk with 200 milliliters of evaporated milk until smooth and creamy. Stir the passion fruit mixture and 1 teaspoon of finely grated lime zest into the milk mixture until fully uniform. Pour the filling into the chilled crust, gently tap the pan to release bubbles, and refrigerate for 2 hours, or until softly set. For the topping, sprinkle 4 grams of unflavored gelatin over 30 milliliters of cold water and let it bloom for 5 minutes. In a small saucepan over low heat, combine 120 milliliters of passion fruit pulp with seeds and 40 grams of sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves without boiling, remove from the heat, and stir in the bloomed gelatin until dissolved. Let the topping cool for 10 minutes until it is just lukewarm. Gently pour the topping over the set tart and tilt the pan so it spreads evenly. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours more, or until fully set. Unmold the Peruvian passion fruit tart and transfer it to a serving plate, then slice with a warm, dry knife. Finish with a light sprinkle of lime zest, then serve chilled. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love this chilled Peruvian tart, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.